In today's video, I'll be giving you guys a quick update on the DIMO miners. But before we do, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And now let's quickly go over to CoinMarketCap so we can take a look at the DIMO chart. Alright, so now we are on CoinMarketCap and we are going to take a look at the one-day chart. As you can see, DIMO is down slightly over 2% and it is slightly under 10 cents. But when we take a look at the 7-day chart, you will see that DIMO is up over 26%. But the 1-month chart, it is up over 15.5%. And now let's take a look at the all-time chart. You will see that DIMO had a couple of decent rallies. One mini rally from 7 cents all the way up to like 17, 18 cents right here. Then had a pullback all the way down to 5 cents. And a massive rally all the way up to 27 cents. And now it corrected once again. But it looks like DIMO is getting ready for another big rally. As you can see, we had a small pump right here, a correction, small pump, a correction. And now I believe DIMO is getting ready for a big push upwards. Hopefully 15, 20, 30 cents, who knows. With a market cap of only 13 million, I believe the sky is the limit for this project. Obviously, guys, investing in these low cap gem does come with risk, but I believe the reward outweighs the risk big time. Just imagine if DIMO hits a market cap of 500 million or $1 billion. All the people that got in early are going to be making a ton of money. And now when we go over to Twitter, we are going to scroll down and we are going to talk about the big news. And it is that Turkey is officially supported in the DIMO mobile app and the DIMO store, meaning that you can download the DIMO app or purchase the DIMO vehicle smart hub and start earning passive income every single week. If you guys want to download the app for free and get some free tokens, check out the link in the description box below. In my opinion, this is definitely good news. The more DIMO expands, the better it will be for the community and the overall token. Also, this is just another step of DIMO expanding globally. Best believe in 2023 and in 2024, there's going to be a lot more countries joining the network. And hopefully it will grow bigger and bigger and make us some profits along the way. Also, when we scroll all the way up, you will see that the co-founder and the COO of DIMO will be doing a podcast. This is where you'll be able to learn more about the project and the auto industry. He stated the auto industry is going through the largest general transition in over 100 years. Right now, it is experiencing multiple transformative changes at once. We have electrification, rewriting how we think about the infrastructure, connected vehicles, maintenance, and autonomy. And I believe DIMO is perfectly positioned to take full advantage of this. Personally, I'm a big fan of the DIMO project and I believe it has a very bright future ahead. So right now, all I'm doing with the tokens that I'm mining every single week is simply stacking up. I believe DIMO will perform very well in the long term. That is one reason why I'm not selling any of my DIMO tokens. I'm simply selecting, waiting for the bull run to return. That way I can make some massive profits. One other thing that I would like to mention, the DIMO team has been very active and they have continued to grow and expand and develop this entire bear market, which is definitely a good sign. All the projects that are building right now, when it is extremely tough, when it is difficult, when everyone is leaving the crypto space, I believe are going to be the projects that stick around for the long term. And those are the projects that I personally put money into. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick little update. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.